Hi, my name is Melvyn Watton. I'm a production supervisor here in Terex, Ballymoney, and I've worked here for 19 years. Day to day in Terex, I manage the team members on the shop floor. Every day and every week I have targets to achieve, and in doing so I need to make sure the TMs on the shop floor have everything they need for them to get the jobs out on time so I can hit my targets. Terex have supported me in my role by giving me all the necessary training methods I need to progress as a production supervisor. What I enjoy most about working here in Terex Ballymoney is I have a lot of friends here. Also, we work a 4-day week, which is really good because you can spend more time with your family at the weekend. We do have health benefits, perks card, and we also have a timekeeping bonus. It's a great career path for someone thinking about coming here. What I would say to encourage anybody to come here and work in Ballymoney would be, if you're at a point in life where you don't know what to do with yourself, here there's such a career path, whether it be machine shop, weld, paint or final assembly. There's something here for everybody, no matter what your background is, and it's a great way to make new friends.